check this out. This is huge. Can you believe it? You gotta spin this and press it so you can unfold it. Good. And then it just unfolds like that and locks in. Boom. And then you spin this again so it doesn't fold back. Okay, I have to back up a little bit more actually. Check this out, guys. So we're unfolding it. The handle is huge. The saw is huge too. Look at these teeth, are insane. So what I'm gonna do is try to cut up some of the big chunks of logs. Let's see how many strokes it'll get me and how fast can it cut. But first let's look at this close up. Look at these teeth, they're insane. And this is just keep going. Very nice engraved logo, locking mechanism, and huge handle. Wow. So let's try this one right here. Check this out. I don't even have to stand close to it. Okay, on this thing you cut it by pulling and then pulling forward, not cutting so much, so you have some rest time. Okay, let's try it out, see how many strokes you'll do. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31 strokes. Amazing, right? Let me put this to the side. And to show you guys how big of a log this is, 31 strokes without pushing it too hard, just by pulling it back a little bit down. Look at this log. This is a really decent sized log. Let's try to do something smaller just to see how fast it's going to chop up a little bit smaller tree. Much smaller piece right here. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 strokes. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? Beast. And once you're done, check this out. All you have to do is just unspin this, press it, pull this forward carefully, very carefully, and then spin it back up. Put in a holder, pull it over your shoulder. Very nice. I like it a lot. Look at that. Manageable size to carry it around. That's why it's amazing that it's foldable, because you have a lot of leverage and it's a lot longer. Amazing tool for sure. Another angle over here, close up, unfold it, it locks it, put safety back in. Let's cut this thing right here real quick. Okay guys, there goes nothing. Ooh. Oh, whew. Still tiring though, but this is so much fun. Whoa, that's a good gym right here too. Tools are tools, they're amazing. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. For sure, must have tool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.